Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make mini lemon donuts. These are so divine, so easy. Let's get started. Alright, get a large mixing bowl. Put in 1 cup of plain flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of milk. About 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of oil. 1 egg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. And then some yellow food coloring. Put as much as you want, depends on how bright you want the color to be. Then just mix it all together. Then get a mini donut maker. Make sure give it a spray with some oil. Put the mixture straight in. Now just close it. And wait for like a few minutes, then we'll see what we get. Alright, let's open it up and check it out. Oh, beautiful. Let's just take them off. Let them cool, and then we will make the delicious lemon glaze. Get my bowl and put in about 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk. Now you may need to add more. Just depends on the consistency. Start with 1, and if we need to add more, we'll add more as we go. So just a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract. And some yellow food coloring. Depends on how bright you want the color to be. Now just mix it together. Now just get your donut and dip it in. While trying to put it up plate and then serve. This is so delicious. Well, I hope you guys tried my recipe for mini ramen donuts, as you can see. Oh, these are so delicious. That was really the best donut I've ever made. Guaranteed. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Before I go, I'm gonna make sure I film no videos next week because I'm also gonna be going to a show with my ESPN and the next day is actually my birthday. So I'm also gonna be making myself a lemon birthday cake for my birthday. So I'm gonna let you guys know no video next week because I'll be quite busy. So I hope you guys understand that. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time for a new recipe. Peace out.